how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're approaching the 2-year anniversary of the release of my first cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef. And last year, around the same time, I released Volume 2, Elevating Your Inner Chef. Well, today I'm really excited to announce that I will be releasing Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef, on June 19th of this year. And what's really exciting about this version is that I'll be offering 4 different options on how to get this cookbook. So you all are familiar with my normal go-to process. I release an ebook that has all the recipes inside. I have a black and white paperback version that has all the recipes as well. And you also will have the option to get a full color cookbook with all the recipes inside, with the picture spanning the length of the page. Really beautiful books, whatever option you want to choose. However, this go around, I have some really exciting news. For Volume 3, we have a hardcover option. This looks amazing. I love this version of this cookbook. I mean, I highly recommend you guys checking this one out. It's a great item to have on your kitchen counter and your bookshelf. It's easily readable, beautiful images. Amazon, who is the retailer of my book, really did an amazing job with creating this edition. So I just want to stress that without you all's support, I wouldn't be able to pursue this passion and dream of mine. So I just wanted to say thank you all for all the support along the way. We're growing on YouTube amazingly, and it's all because of you, and I really appreciate that. So I just want to take this moment to say thank you. You guys are amazing, and I wouldn't be here without you. So can you do me a favor in this video? Can you share this video to all your family and friends and let them know that Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3 is coming out very soon. It's going to be available on Amazon. I'll be sure to leave a link, or at least point you in the right direction in the description of this video. And I just appreciate you guys, and I just wanted to make this video short and sweet. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.